Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ifactner.com's Learn Urdu Grammar through English video tutorial series. In today's video tutorial, we are going to talk about present perfect continuous tense in Urdu. Present perfect continuous tense in Urdu. Present perfect continuous tense is called फेल हाल जारी मुकम्मल फेल हाल जारी मुकम्मल हाल is present, jari is continuous and mukammal is perfect. So fail hal jari mukammal is present perfect continuous tense. As we know that present perfect continuous tense is a tense. Let's suppose that we started a task and now we are talking about that task, and that task will continue in the future. So we started a task in the past. Right now we are in the middle of that task, and that task will be continued in the future. So we use present perfect continuous tense for these types of tasks. Now in Urdu, usually we use रहा हूँ, रहा, रही, रहे, and so on and so forth. Raha is used with I, he, Rahi is with she, and Raha is also used with or Rahi is also used with I, and Rahe is used with you people, you, they, and we. And in present perfect continuous tense, we have to tell about the time. For example, मैं सुबह से काम कर रहा हूँ. So usually we add से in the middle of the sentence and the time. मैं 2 बजे से काम कर रहा हूँ. I have been working since 2 o'clock. मैं 2 घंटे से काम कर रहा हूँ. I have been working for 2 hours. In English, we either have to use since or for when we are talking about the time. For example, for if the listener has to identify what do I mean, then we use for. For example, for 2 hours. Then the listener has to calculate himself that since when I have been working. But when I specify the time, for example, since 2 o'clock, since morning, since March, and so on and so forth, then I use since. But in Urdu, we just used say for both since and for. So in Urdu, present perfect continuous tense is easier to make. Now let's take a verb and we make simple sentences with different pronouns, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Let's take the verb work. Work is काम करना. To do work. काम करना means to do a work. In English we say I have been working since morning. Now in Urdu, we need to uh, say two sentences depending upon the gender of the person. If I am a male, then the version would be मैं सुबह से काम कर रहा हूँ. So here we have used से and कर रहा हूँ means it is still continued. For female we will say मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ. So if you have noticed, then for male we say raha, for female we say rahi, and the rest of the sentence is same. Similarly, if we want to say you have been working for 2 hours, for 2 hours. In Urdu, we have got two versions. If you are a male, then we say, and there are actually two versions. One is male version and another is female version. And then we can either use tum for a younger person and aap for out of respect or for an older person. So let's take these two examples. First, let's take the tum example. You have been working for 2 hours. So it's male version. तुम 2 घंटे से, 2 घंटे is 2 hours. घंटे से काम कर रहे हो. तुम 2 घंटे से काम कर रहे हो. से and रहे हो. And if I want to talk to an older person or out of respect, then I will say आप. आप 2 घंटे से काम कर रहे हैं. So in आप version we just have changed हो to हैं and तुम to आप. आप 2 घंटे से काम कर रहे हैं, तुम 2 घंटे से काम कर रहे हो. And female version would be तुम 2 घंटे से काम कर रही हो. So instead of रहे हो, we are using रही. And the other version would be आप 2 घंटे से काम कर रही हैं. So we can use this आप version for respect for a single person, or if you are talking to a group of people, for example, you people have been working for 2 hours, then we use this version आप 2 घंटे से काम कर रहे हैं for male and आप 2 घंटे से काम कर रही हैं for female. So this आप version is used for singular and plural. Now, if you want to say he has been working since July, means he has been working in this office since July. Let's suppose in Urdu we say वो जुलाई से काम कर रहा है. And here we can use two versions. For example, if we are talking about our teacher or about our dad, then we have to show some respect. In that case, we will use and say वो जुलाई से काम कर रहे हैं. So this वो जुलाई से काम कर रहे हैं is used for singular male, or we can use it for a group of male. For example, if in English we say they have been working since July, then we will say वो जुलाई से काम कर रहे हैं. She has been working since 2000. She has been working since 2000. In Urdu, for a younger person or for just an other female, we will say वो 2000 से काम कर रही है. But out of respect, we will say वो 2000 से काम कर रही हैं. And this second version, वो 2000 से काम कर रही हैं, is also used when we are talking about a group of female. For example, they have been working since 2000. So we will be using this version वो 2000 से काम कर रही हैं. So right now we have discussed about I, he, she, you and they. We have discussed both the versions, you singular and you plural. Now let's discuss about we. हम, let's suppose I want to say we have been working since last night. We have been working since last night. So if we are a male group or a mixed group, then we will say हम रात से, रात is night, काम कर रहे हैं. So this version is used for male group or mixed group. But if we are just a group of female, then we will say हम रात से काम कर रही है. So usually when we have got a mixed group, then we use रहे हैं. In either it is we, you, they. But when we only have the female group, then we use रही है. Now let's take the negative sentences. And now let's take another verb. Let's suppose I want to say I have not been talking since morning. In Urdu, I will say, if I am a male, मैं सुबह से बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. This is a male version. If I am a female, then I will write and say, मैं सुबह से बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. This is a female version. And if we want to say वो सुबह से बात नहीं कर रहा है, he has not been talking since morning, then we will just say वो सुबह से बात नहीं कर रहा है, for he. Or if we want to show some respect, or for they have not been talking since morning, or he has not been talking since morning, then we say वो सुबह से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. For female, we will say वो सुबह से बात नहीं कर रही हैं. And for a group of female or for a singular female, out of respect, we will write वो सुबह से बात नहीं कर रही हैं. Now let's suppose we want to say you have not been talking since morning and we are talking to a younger person, then we say तुम सुबह से बात नहीं कर रहे हो. And if we want to show some respect, or if we are talking to a group of people who are present in front of us, then we say आप सुबह से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. And now, if we want to say हम सुबह से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, means we are not talking, we have not been talking since morning, then we say हम सुबह से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. If we are a group of male or we are a mixed group. But if we are a group of female, then we say हम सुबह से बात नहीं कर रही हैं. So it's रही हैं. Now let's discuss about the interrogative sentences. Let's say if we want to say क्या हम let's say if I want to say have I been walking for 20 minutes. Have I been walking have I been walking for 20 minutes? Now in Urdu, I will say kya. When we want to ask a question, then usually we use kya. Kya. And then the rest would be the same as the simple present perfect continuous tense. So I have just read it kya. मैं 20 is 20 मिनट क्या मैं 20 मिनट से चल रहा हूँ if I am a male and if I am a female then I would just say क्या मैं 20 मिनट से चल रही हूँ. And if I want to say have you been walking for 20 minutes? Then there are two possibilities. क्या तुम 20 मिनट से चल रहे हो? If we are talking to a younger person. And if we want to show some respect, then we ask क्या आप 20 मिनट से चल रहे हैं? And it is also true if we are talking to a group of male or a mixed group and we want to ask क्या have you people been walking for 20 minutes? क्या आप 20 मिनट से चल रहे हैं? Now we want to ask has he been walking for 20 minutes? Now there are two possibilities. For a younger person we will say क्या वो 20 मिनट से चल रहा है? And to show some respect we will ask क्या वो 20 मिनट से चल रहे हैं? And it is also true for if we want to ask have they been walking for 20 minutes then we ask क्या वो 20 मिनट से चल रहे हैं? And now if we want to ask has she been walking for 20 minutes then we ask क्या वो 20 मिनट से चल रही है? And if we want to ask if we are asking about a group of female then we ask क्या वो 20 मिनट से चल रही हैं? And if we want to ask क्या have you people been walking for 20 minutes then we ask क्या आप 20 मिनट से चल रहे हैं. If we are talking to a group of male or mixed group. But if we are asking from a group of female, then we ask क्या आप 20 मिनट से चल रही हैं. So it's very simple that you just have to add रहा, रहे or रही and है, हैं, हो or whom for I. Let's suppose we want to say क्या मैं 20 मिनट से चल रहा have we been walking for 20 minutes? Then we will ask क्या हम 20 मिनट, so there is one dot for बे और two dots for ये. क्या हम 20 मिनट से चल रहे हैं. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was our introduction about how to use present perfect continuous tense in Urdu. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.